Tonight, I want to remind all of us the hierarchy of Alpha Kappa Rho. That defines who we are, especially as we live and work abroad here in Saudi Arabia. Number one, God. Above everything else, we honor God. Our faith keeps us strong during the challenges of working far from home. As Skeptrons, we respect all religions, cultures, living with humility. As Skeptrons, we respect all religions and cultures, living with humility and integrity no matter where we are. Here in Saudi Arabia, we must show the highest respect for the Islamic traditions and laws that surrounds us, while holding true to our own faith and values. That is God. Number two is country. Even as we work on foreign soil, we remain proud representatives of our homeland. We carry the flag of Philippines, or whichever nation we call home, in our actions, our discipline, and our work ethic. At the same time, we must also honor and respect the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, which provide us the opportunity to work and support our families. Number three, family. Our families are the reason we endure the sacrifices of working overseas. As true Skeptrons, we recognize that taking care of our family is our first responsibility after God and country. Let us not forget to stay connected, to send not only financial support, but also love, guidance, and prayers to those who left behind. Number four, school or community. Even though we are not in school anymore, we continue to learn and grow every day. Our school now is the workplace, where we develop new skills and become better versions of ourselves. Our community is here, our fellow OFWs, our fellow brothers, Filipinos, and even our local neighbors. Let us be role models of kindness, discipline, and unity wherever we go. Number five is Alpha Kappa Rho. Finally, we have our beloved fraternity, our second family. But we must always remember that AKP came after our responsibilities to God, to our country, our family, and our community. Here in Saudi Arabia, let us use fraternity as a platform for good, helping fellow OFWs, extending our hands to those in need, and showing Alpha Kappa Rho stands for service, truth, and brotherhood. Brothers and sisters, the hierarchy of Alpha Kappa Rho is more than just a list. It is a guide for our living life, for purpose and integrity. Let us honor these priorities every day and show the world that being Skeptron is not only about wearing our colors, but about living with discipline, loyalty, and heart. Vincit Omnia Veritas. Long live Alpha Kappa Rho.
Long live!
So, bro, sa BGS na.
Yes, maraming salamat si BGS. Tunay nga, paminsan